down in Florida for my buddy's wedding, my best friend's wedding. Everything was going good. We get to the wedding and all of a sudden she drinks too much. She turns into a flying see you next Tuesday.
Yeah, that's why you got a giant band-aid on the back of your piece of shit.
Yeah. Feel bad.
Feel better now that you're in front of me and behind the dump trucks? Does that improve your little day, dickhead? Now, what the fuck are you doing, you stupid piece of shit motherfucker? What the fuck? What was that for, even? Look at that dumb shit in the right lane. See those right hand arrows? And the sign says right lane, must turn right. That's how fucking stupid people are, man.
I'm not going to touch that game, and I didn't. In the end, the Hurricanes won that game. Jacob Slavin in overtime.
Come on, home slice. Get the fuck up on out my way, would you? Where are you going? Are you going over there? What are you doing, dumbass? What the fuck are you doing? You goddamn fucking non-driving piece of shit motherfucker. Goddamn idiot.
It was written, scripted by his sister. So it was scripted, they used the AI to generate the likeness and make it sound like him. So it's not testimony, it's a big...
Well, this dumb motherfucker up here and this little fucking flatbed rollback almost took out my partner mouth. You can't handle that tiny ass little fucking thing? Seriously? Landon Coates. Great job, you fucking idiot.
You never have to worry about it, right? And there with them. Right, but just in general, this just pollutes the whole process. And it makes people less apt to be generous with those that actually need help. Yeah, because then they point and they see.
So was that.
You're always looking for the catch.
People are fucking fantastic.
Yes, there's always somebody drifting there.
I wish there were more of you.
Let's see what else.
Stupid piece of shit. Fuck you and fuck you. Jesus, fuck me.
Decided, man, to do what is responsible, what a responsible adult would do, and that is whine on Facebook about it.
Damn.
Never forget.
Move, dumbass.
She laughed, and then she cried, but she laughed.
Ignorant ass, non-driving piece of shit motherfuckers. Nothing like knowing where you're going and what you're doing. What are you doing? What the fuck are you two idiots doing? Nah. Synchronized assholery. Looks fantastic. That's not how that's done. You don't half change lanes and then hit the signal for a second to make yourself feel better. Once again, look at that. Someone needs to have a chat with that school bus driver. Nice turn signal. Handing out CDLs in the bottom of Cracker Jack boxes. It's fan-fucking-tastic. Fucking stupid. fucking idiot. Stupid fucking bitch. It just keeps getting better and fucking better. Stupid, worthless piece of fucking shit. There's a goddamn yield sign back there for a goddamn reason. Once again, goddamn dump truck up front wants to do 45 miles an hour on the fucking interstate, putting everybody at extreme risk. Please go fuck yourself. The big giant red X looming directly over top of that lane. Well, this idiot in front of me just rolled right on over into it. This idiot behind me who's been driving in it the entire fucking time. Clueless. Now there's a sign right here on the right that says begin to exit here. Well, they're already over there and they're blocking up all the shit because they're fucking morons. So I'm just gonna run over top of one of them. Ooh! Bet that hurt. That'll learn you. Fucker. Stupid motherfucker. God damn. I would like to think that people aren't inherently stupid, but they prove otherwise each and every fucking day. See by this moron, moment by moment by moment. It's never fucking ending. Fucking dumbass. As I was starting to change lanes, he fucking whipped over and started flying by. Good thing I saw him and eased back over, otherwise he would have been a pancake. Oh, look at this brilliant son of a bitch. Slide in front of me to the right using your left hand signal. Look, here's another contestant. You fucking asshole. Do you think I like you? Were a fly, I'd pull your wings off. Another dude on a bike going extremely fast with a teeny little gap between me and the car to the left. Yeah, it's just wonderful. There's so many mentally challenged people running around loose out here. I just don't understand. No. No, there's no goddamn collision. I'm turning, you dipshit. Piece of fucking shit, motherfucker. God damn, I hate this fucking traffic. Come on, man, speed up. What are you doing over here if you're gonna go that goddamn slow? Let's go. Really, man? You see me here, bitch? Motherfucker's dicking around on his goddamn phone. Fucking got his phone in his fucking hand. Fucking hate you. Fucking hate you. Now you're gonna move over? Ah, Jesus fucking Christ. What the actual fuck, lady? Jesus Christ. The fuck is this 39 goddamn miles an hour about? 2:15 in the fucking afternoon. You fucking assholes not have jobs, hobbies, homes to go to, something? Fuck.